Hello and welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, we're diving into the movements of Malaysian crude palm oil, CPO, futures and their implications for the global edible oil market. On this Tuesday, November 26, Malaysian crude palm oil futures saw an upward trend, driven by gains in rival vegetable oils and the weakening ringgit. The benchmark palm oil contract for February delivery on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange increased by 23 ringgit, or 0.49%, reaching 4,722 ringgit per metric ton in early trading. This marks a continuation of Monday's 1.23% rise, breaking a three-session losing streak. One of the major drivers of this rise is the performance of competing edible oils. Soy oil prices on the Chicago Board of Trade surged by 2.95%, while Dalian's most active soy oil and palm oil contracts climbed by 0.5% and 1.56%, respectively. As we know, palm oil prices often follow the trajectory of competing vegetable oils due to their interconnected demand in the global market. Adding further support to palm oil prices, the ringgit weakened by 0.36% against the US dollar. A weaker ringgit makes palm oil more affordable for international buyers, boosting its appeal. However, crude oil futures experienced a dip, influenced by hopes of a ceasefire between Israel and Hezbollah. This has reduced crude oil's risk premium, indirectly impacting palm oil prices, as lower crude oil prices tend to make palm oil less competitive as a biodiesel feedstock. Switching gears to India, developments in rapeseed and mustard planting are drawing attention. Industry experts note that unusually high temperatures during the sowing season have pushed farmers to shift towards crops better suited for these conditions. This could potentially lead to lower output of India's main winter oilseed crop. If production drops, India might need to increase imports of cooking oils such as palm oil, soy oil, and sunflower oil to meet domestic demand. As we look ahead, the trajectory of palm oil prices will be shaped by several factors, including global edible oil demand, currency fluctuations, and planting trends in key markets like India. The edible oil market continues to evolve, with new developments influencing prices daily. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Astro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on global commodities. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.